Okay, I am back, but in order to record what you do after you finish recording your video, I have to use a different recording program. So after you press end recording, Screencastify is going to bring you to this screen. The first thing I would do is rename your project. So Screencastify tutorial. And you will be able to edit. Now I'm currently still using the free version, so if I press this, it's gonna bring me to another screen, and we just haven't done that yet. But what you can do is after you're done your video, you have access to cut, so if I didn't like parts, you can trim your video. But the most important is how you're going to use the video after you're finished recording. So I thought of a couple great ways that I think would be beneficial to all of us. What is the number one best thing about Screencastify is the videos are immediately saved to our Google Drives. So here's my Google Drive. You don't even have to create this yourself. Screencastify does it on its own. It creates a folder in your Google Drive, and your videos then will be saved. So the video I just made is already saved in my Google Drive. So that is really important to understand, that once you create the video, it's there and it's safe. Another great idea for using Screencastify is publishing to YouTube, making a YouTube account. That way you can copy the link. If I publish this to YouTube, it will give you some options, add it to your channel if you have a YouTube channel. I did that a lot in the spring, where I then would copy the link and I would embed it in my classwork. So that's a great option. Something that I have found, and I think I will be utilizing a lot, is just doing simple, using Screencastify for big presentations, but also, simple problems or questions, and you can share it to Google Classroom. It links it. So if I share this to Google Classroom, this little screen will pop up, and I'm going to choose a class. This is just a fake account that I have to test out different resources. So you're going to choose the classroom you'd like to share it to, and you're going to choose your action. So you can create assignment, you can ask a question, make an announcement, or create material. Material is a simple way to just have it so the students can go under material and the video is there. Making an announcement would put it on your stream right away. Asking a question is cool. I'm going to show you that one right now. So if I were to ask a question, I'm going to press go, and I'm actually going to ask the question of was this video helpful? I'm actually going to make it multiple choice. We can make this screen bigger. Yes. No. This is going to be an ungraded assignment, and I will just ask the question. Okay, so if I were to go from the teacher's perspective, this is me as the teacher. It will show up in our stream. Was this video helpful? Now I'm going to show you what it looks like from the video, or from the student's perspective. I'm going to go to the home page. So this was my question that was asked to my class. This is me as a student right now. I would watch the video because Screencastify linked it. So this is what you would do for your students. Your students would then watch the video that I just created, and they answer this question. Yes, it was helpful. Turn in. All right, turn in. So that's me as a student. Now I'm going to go back to my teacher page. I'm going to go to this question, and I'll see one person said that it was helpful. Maybe it's a math problem or an ELA reading skill or anything. This type of process could be used for any subject, and I think at any age level. So that's a cool way to use Screencastify. I think also if you were sharing to Google Classroom for your whole class, if we go back, you could just make a, like make an announcement, go, make this bigger, please watch the tutorial for tomorrow's lesson. It's for all students. I'm going to post it. I can look from the student's perspective what it will look like. Okay, this announcement was put, we need to please watch the tutorial for tomorrow's lesson. So that's another way to use Screencastify to share it. You can do things simple as just simply getting the link and sharing it. But I think the Google Classroom techniques are really important. Maybe within this, you're creating assignment. So the instructions could be, please watch the video and answer the worksheet. You could add a worksheet to this. You always want to do I would do make a copy for each student for this, just to ensure that they all have their own. You could attach a worksheet, whatever. You could have it graded, and then assign it, of course. So that's how you can use Google Classroom linking right to the video. So that is my little tutorial using Screencastify. Again, it's really easy to use. It's simple. I think you can use it for all subjects. I know I kind of went on with the Google Classroom, but it can be as simple as making a video, publishing it to YouTube, copy the link, and sending it out to the kids. But being able to edit your screen without it saving like that, I think is cool. And I really like the idea of editing student work. So when students hand this in, just press your emoji and kind of talk them through it. Aiden, I love how you highlighted your words in red. It was easy for me to find the answers. Why don't you check number 5 again and send it back to me? And that could be a great way to personally get in touch with your students while also giving them important feedback, sometimes just to congratulate them that they did it well. So that is all on Screencastify. If you have any other questions, please let me know and I'd be happy to answer them. Have a great day.